Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to receive secure online payments with Jotform. Whether you're selling products, accepting donations, or collecting fees for services, Jotform makes it incredibly simple to integrate payment processing directly into your forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your forms and payment integrations. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created previously and gives you access to create new ones. Now it's time to create your payment form. In the upper left of the page, click on Create Form. A menu will pop up with several options for how you want to start building. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch, then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with and full control over every element you add. Once your blank form opens, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find the Add Element button. Click on it to reveal all the different types of fields and widgets you can add to your form. What we're looking for specifically is the Payments section, so navigate to the Payments tab at the top of this panel. In the Payments tab, you'll see several payment processor options available. Depending on your preference and which service you already use for your business, you can drag PayPal, Stripe, or Square onto your form. Simply click and drag whichever payment method widget works best for you and drop it into your form where you want it to appear. This widget will handle all the payment processing securely. After you've added the payment widget to your form, look over to the right panel. You'll notice a yellow button that prompts you to connect your payment account. Click this button and you'll be guided through a quick authentication process where you'll link your PayPal, Stripe, or Square account to Jotform. Follow the prompts, enter your account credentials, and authorize the connection. Once you've successfully connected your account, click Save to lock in these settings. Now that your payment integration is complete, it's time to share your form with the world. Look to the top right corner of the page and click Publish. A window will appear showing you different sharing options. You can either copy the shareable link, which you can send directly to customers, or grab the embed code if you want to place this form on your website. Choose whichever method suits your needs best. And that's it. You've successfully created a secure payment form with Jotform that's ready to start accepting payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.